Hey guys, so quick update on the KingOLawn Edger. After looking it over once again, uh, I think we're gonna restore this one back to what it used to be. So I know I can get all the decals, and I think I can still get this one off of Click It and Stick It, which is a website which has lots of older style decals that you can buy, and I think they have a KingOLawn one still from mine right there. And the reason we're not doing this one right away is because I got other projects to do, but this one will make a good spring or summer, maybe late winter project once we get everything squared away. But we just wanted to see if it would run and if it was going to be worth the time and the money to restore it. So this one will be. And with that one helping it with parts, although I don't really see this one needing very much, it'll be back to a good runner and back to edging lawns. So here's the blade on it. So I hope your guys' day went well, and thanks for watching and subscribing, and this one will be in the near future. Thanks.